Have you ever tried creating invoice numbers like INV0001 in Excel, but the leading zeros disappears? In this video, I'll show you how to use the text function to automatically generate professional invoice numbers with proper formatting. Let's get started. So here in this cell, I will write equal, and in inverted commas, I will write the text that I need to appear before this number. So because I want to write INV dash, so I'll write it in inverted commas. Then I will write ampersand sign, and next I need to apply the text function. So I will write text, open parenthesis. Now for the text function, I need to select the value. So I will select the serial number as value because I will create the invoice numbers based on these serial numbers. So after selecting this cell, I need to provide the format. So because I need them in the 4 numeric format, so in inverted commas, I will write 0000, close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you see, I have created the invoice number for the first customer. Now to create the next invoice number, I don't need to type manually. I just need to bring my cursor to the bottom right corner and drag it down. So you see, I have created the invoice number using the text function. There are many other possibilities of using the text function that we will elaborate in our coming videos. This is the simplest example of converting the numbers into the text format and then use them according to our condition. Now you have seen how the text function can format numbers and create professional invoice numbers in Excel. Try this method in your own reports, and if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to KnowHow for more practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.